Yes, yes.
Okay.
Now we can start. Yes, sir. Good morning, sir.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning. Good morning. Okay.
Good morning to all.
Miss Meena Joshi is research scholar in the Department of
Scholar in
Mathematics.
the Department of Mathematics.
She is working in the Department of SGRR PG College.
PG College, Dehradun.
She is working with
me.
Time
She is getting ARF.
Now the VIVA by the Department of Mathematics.
JRF to SRF.
We
welcome our external expert, Dr. Govind Pathak ji
from
Department of Mathematics,
PG College,
Government PG College, Haldwani.
and we have also
Professor Anita Tomar.
He is head Department of Mathematics,
Head Department of Mathematics,
Government
PG College, Thatiur.
Our Pracharya V.A. Bodai ji.
Professor V.A. Bodai ji.
Welcome, sir.
Welcome, sir.
Our Research Advisory
Committee member,
Co-chairperson Professor Madhu
is there.
And internal experts are A.P. Singh,
Dr. A.P. Singh
and
Dr. Vivek Kumar.
And we have with us in charge UGC cell, Dr. Vijay Rawat ji. So we welcome again all the and
members and
principal sir
and experts.
Now I would like to invite Miss Meena Joshi for the presentation.
Thank you, sir.
Please
share your screen.
Thank you, sir. Good morning to all respected teachers. I, Meena Joshi, respected principal sir, my supervisor, Dr. S.K. Patalia, as an external expert, Dr. Govind Pathak sir, and as an internal expert, Dr. Vivek Kumar sir and Dr. A.P. Singh sir, in charge of UGC cell, Dr. Vijay Rawat sir, and Head of Department of Mathematics of Government Degree College, Dr. Anita Tomar ma'am. I heartily welcome to all for my VIVA for upgradation of JRF to SRF. First of all, I would like to thank my supervisor. I got all kinds of support with him. He is very helpful person. He always inspires me to do good work. At the same time, I also want to thank Dr. Anita Tomar ma'am. I many times took her guidance throughout my PhD work. I learned from ma'am many things. I am very much thankful to ma'am for your all types of support and guidance. Now I want to discuss my research work that I did in 2 years of my JRF period. Sir, please make me co-host for screen sharing.
Now we share.
Okay, thank you, sir.
From the beginning.
Okay, thank you, sir. My research area is fixed point theory, and my research topic is some results in fixed point theory and applications. My research center is SGRR PG College, Dehradun. And as I already mentioned, my supervisor is Dr. S.K. Patalia. And I have 7 publications during my research work. And I attended five conferences and 2 workshops. Now I want to discuss my research work. At first, to understand fixed point more briefly, I first read these books and I did literature survey of the publications related to C-star algebra, relation theoretic results, M metric, NB metric, fixed circle, fixed disk, and others in the Journal of International Repute. At first, I want to give brief introduction of fixed point theory before discussing my publication and other research work. What is fixed point? A fixed point of a function is a point that is mapped to itself by the function. If X be any non-empty set and T be a self-map defined on X, then a point Y belongs to X is called a fixed point of T if Ty equals to Y. That is, Y remains invariant under the map T. In graphical terms, a fixed point is a point of intersection of curve and line Y equal to X. For example, if we define a map by Tx equal to 4x into 1 minus x, then we see that 0 maps itself to 0 and 3 by 4 maps itself to 3 by 4. That is, 0 and 3 by 4 are fixed points of T. As in this figure, uh, this is a graph of given curve and this is graph of line y equal to x, and we see that point of intersection are 0 and 3 by 4, which are fixed point of given curve. Fixed point theory is one of the most powerful tool of modern mathematical analysis. Theorems related to existence and the properties of fixed point are known as fixed point theorems. Fixed point theory is a beautiful mixture of analysis, topology, and geometry, which has many applications in various fields such as mathematics, engineering, physics, economics, game theory, biology, chemistry, optimization theory, and approximation theory, etc. Existence of fixed point plays a significant role in nonlinear analysis, as many real-world problems can be reformulated as a problem of finding fixed points of nonlinear maps. Fixed point theory is the most vibrant area of research in nonlinear analysis. Banach in 1922 provided the primary metric fixed point result and evidence that each contraction in a complete metric space has a unique fixed point. Now there are conferences and workshops which I attended. I presented a research paper entitled Fixed Point and its Applications in C-star algebra valued partial metric space in International Conference on Recent Advance in Pure and Applied Mathematics organized by Delhi Technical University on 23 to 25 October 2018. I presented a research paper entitled On Existence of Fixed Point and its Application under Relation Theoretic Contractions in International Workshop on Fixed Point Theory and its Application, organized by Department of Mathematics of Jamia Millia Islamia, New Delhi, on 15 to 17 March 2019. I presented a research paper entitled Fixed Point and Applications in F-metric Spaces via Relation Theoretic Nonlinear F Constructions in International Conference on Functional Material and Simulation Techniques, organized by Chandigarh University on 7 to 8 June 2019. I presented a research paper entitled On Existence of Fixed Point and its Applications under Relation Theoretic Contraction in International Conference on Applied Mathematics and Computational Science, organized by Department of Mathematics of DIT University Dehradun on 17 to 19 October 2019. I attended a national seminar on promotion of academic integrity and prevention of plagiarism, organized by Central Library of University of Petroleum and Energy, Dehradun on 20 December 2019. I attended a one-day workshop on core topics of mathematics organized by SGRR PG College Dehradun on 24 January 2020. I presented a research paper entitled Fixed Point in Partial Metric Spaces and Application to the Rotation of a Hanging Cable on 14th Uttarakhand State Science and Technology Congress. Now there are some publications that happened during this time. My very first publication is with the collaboration of Dr. Anita Tomar and Dr. S.K. Padalia and others, entitled Fixed Point under Set Valued Lysotheotic Nonlinear Contractions and Application in Partial Metric Space, which is published in Philomet. In this paper, we established a relation-theoretic version of main result of Ayadi et al. And extended the results of Alam and Imdad for a set-valued map in a partial metric space. My second published paper is with Dr. Anita Tomar, entitled Relation-Theoretic Nonlinear Contraction in an Ametric Space and Applications, which is published in Rendiconti del Ciricolo Matematico di Palermo series. In this paper, we introduce relation-theoretic contractions to establish a fixed point in F-metric space. Numerical examples are also given to illustrate the theoretical findings. As application of our main result, we solve two-point boundary value problem. My third published paper is Fixed Point and its application in C-star algebra valued partial metric space, which is accepted for publication in Turkey Worth Mathematical Science Journal of Applied and Engineering Mathematics. In this paper, we familiarized with the concept of contractiveness and expansiveness in a C-star algebra valued partial metric space and create an environment for the existence of fixed point in it. We solved an integral equation and an operator type equation as an application of main result. Further, we gave some examples to elaborate C-star algebra valued partial metric space and showed that there exist situations when a partial metric result could be applied while the standard metric one couldn't. My third published paper is Note on Results in C-star algebra valued metric space, which is accepted for publication in Electronic Journal of Mathematical Analysis and Applications. In this note, with the help of examples, we pointed out that C-star algebra valued metric space is more general and the result in this space are proper generalization and extensions of corresponding results in the literature in standard metric space. Hence, results of C-star algebra valued metric space don't coincide with the results in another related spaces. Numerical examples are presented to validate the theoretical finding and to demonstrate that our results generalized, improved, and extended the recent results in different spaces equipped with a binary relation to their set valued variant exploiting weaker conditions. As an application of our main result, we solved an integral inclusion of Fredholm type. My next published paper is with the collaboration of Dr. Anita Tomar and Dr. S.K. Padalia, entitled Fixed Point to Fixed Circle and Activation Function, which is accepted for publication in Journal of Applied Analysis. In this paper, we familiarized a notion of a fixed circle in a partial metric space, which is not necessarily the same as a circle in a Euclidean space. Next, we established novel fixed circle theorems and verified these by illustrative examples with geometric interpretation to demonstrate that the authenticity of the postulates. Also, we studied the geometric properties of the set of non-unique fixed points of a discontinuous self-map in reference to fixed circle problems and responded to an open problem regarding the existence of maximum number of points for which there exist circles. Paper is concluded by giving an application to activation function to exhibit the feasibility of results, thereby providing a better insight into the analogous explorations. My next published paper is Fixed Point on Complete M-metric Space via F-sci-fi contraction, mapping and application to periodic differential equation, which is accepted for publication in Azerbaijan Journal of Mathematics. In this paper, we demonstrate the presence of a single fixed point on M metric spaces for generalized F psi phi contractions using alpha admissibility and C-class functions. Further, we provided an answer to an open problem regarding the existence and uniqueness of a fixed point of a classical Chatterjee contraction on an M-metric space, which is still open. Our obtained results are the extensions, unification, and a generalization of some of the well-known previous results. Also, we furnished some illustrative examples and an application to validate the theoretical findings. My last published paper is fixed point to fixed ellipse in metric spaces and a discontinuous activation function, which is accepted for publication in Applied Mathematics eNotes. In this paper, we introduce a notion of a fixed ellipse to study the geometric properties of the set of non-unique fixed point of discontinuous self-map and establish fixed ellipse theorems. Further, we verified these by illustrative examples with geometric interpretation to demonstrate the authenticity of the postulates. Paper is concluded by a discussion of activation function having fixed ellipse to exhibit the feasibility of results, thereby provide a better insight into the analogous explorations. Now, there are some communicated paper which we did. My first communicated paper is with the collaboration of Dr. Anita Tomar and Dr. S.K. Padalia, entitled Relation Theory Contraction and its application in B-metric-like spaces. In this paper, we introduce a relational generalized Mere-Killer contraction and a relational generalized Mere-Killer contraction with rational terms in non-complete relational B-metric-like space to establish non-unique fixed point results for a discontinuous single-valued map. Also, we provided an illustrative example to demonstrate that a relational generalized Mere-Killer contraction with rational terms in a relational P-metric-like space admit discontinuity at the fixed point, thereby provide a novel explanation via binary relation to the question of existence of a contractive map admitting fixed point at the point of discontinuity. Finally, we gave application to solve an initial value problem and a nonlinear matrix equation. My second communicated paper is result in strongly mini-headed cone and scalar weighted cone metric spaces and applications. In this paper, convergence of sequence, periodic points, and non-unique fixed points are established in M orbitally complete cone metric space over strongly mini-headed cone and scalar weighted cone metric space, assuming the cone to be strongly mini-hedral. Appropriate examples and applications validate the established theory. Further, we had provided one more answer to the question existence of contractive condition in cone metric space so that the fixed point is at the point of discontinuity of a map. Also, we provide a negative answer to a natural question whether the contractive conditions in the obtained result can be replaced by its metric version. My next communicated paper is fixed point to fixed ellipse in asymmetric spaces. In this paper, we introduce a notion of a fixed circle, fixed ellipse in an asymmetric space to study the geometric properties of the set of non-unique fixed points of a discontinuous self-map and establish fixed ellipse theorems. Further, we verified these by illustrative examples with geometric interpretation to demonstrate the authenticity of the postulates. Paper is concluded by exploring some conditions which eliminate the possibility of the identity map in the existence of an ellipse, some remarks and propositions to exhibit the feasibility of results, thereby providing a better insight into the analogous explorations. My next communicated paper is on unique and non-unique fixed point in parametric and bimetric space with application. In this paper, we proposed SA, eta SA minimum, and SA eta delta zeta contractions, and notions of eta admissibility type B and eta P regularity in parametric and bimetric spaces. To determine a unique fixed point, a unique fixed circle, and a greatest fixed disk. Further, we investigated the geometry of non-unique fixed points of a self-mapping and demonstrated by illustrative examples that a circle or a disk in a parametric and bimetric space is not necessarily the same as a circle or a disk in a Euclidean space. Obtained outcomes are extensions, unification, improvements, and a generalization of some of the well-known previous results. We provide non-trivial illustration to exhibit the importance of our explorations. Towards the end, we resolved the system of linear equations to demonstrate the significance of our contraction in a parametric and bimetric space. My next communicated paper is on existence of fixed point and application of Hardy-Roger contraction in C-star algebra valued partial metric space. In this paper, we familiarized and utilized Hardy-Rogers contraction in a C-star algebra valued partial metric space to create an environment for the existence of fixed point. Further, we gave some examples to elaborate C-star algebra valued parsimmetric space and to validate our results. In the sequel, we pointed out that the results in C-star algebra valued metric space couldn't be reduced to their metric counterparts unless A equals to R, set of real numbers. We concluded the paper by solving boundary value problem as an application of our main result, which demonstrated the significance of our contraction and the motivation of such investigation. Now to summarize, I want to tell what are our future plans. In future, we are planning to obtain fixed point, common fixed point, strict common fixed point for the problems which have application to real-world problems. Generalized, extend and improve many well-known results in fixed point theory. Efforts would be made to relax the completeness, closeness of the underlying space. Seek extension of results to more general domain. Additionally, we are planning to study geometry of non-unique fixed point. Now, at last, I want to say thank you all. Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Now I would like to invite Dr. Govind Pathak ji. He will ask some questions. Dr. Pathak ji.
Okay, thank you, sir. And thank you, Meena Joshi. You have gave your wonderful presentation today.
Thank you, sir.
Respected Principal Sir, Borai ji, and Supervisor Dr. S.K. Paladia sir, and staff members Vivek sir and A.K. Singh sir, and UGC cell person Vijay Rawat ji, and my senior colleague and ma'am Dr. Anita Tomar ma'am यहाँ पे हैं. So all सभी का स्वागत है. And one thing I want to ask Meena.
Yes, sir.
You have done a wonderful papers and wonderful presentation. You have did your 7 publication in 2 years. Basically, one simple question: why do we study this fixed point theory? Am I audible?
Yes, sir.
Why do we study this fixed point theory? Yes.
Yes, sir. I am on.
आपने आपने प्रेजेंटेशन में भी बताया था काफी
Yes,
चीजें.
sir. जी सर.
Okay.
सर फिक्स पॉइंट थ्योरी को बेसिकली हम इसलिए स्टडी करते हैं, जैसे अगर हम डिफरेंशियल इक्वेशन ले लें, कोई पार्शियल डिफरेंशियल इक्वेशन ले लें या इंटीग्रल इक्वेशन ले लें, या कोई भी हम मैट्रिक्स इक्वेशन ले लें, कोई भी इक्वेशन जो होती है उन सबको हम फिक्स पॉइंट की हेल्प से उन सबको हम सॉल्व कर सकते हैं। जैसे कोई भी बाउंड्री वैल्यू प्रॉब्लम है, उसका जो सॉल्यूशन होता है वही उस मैप का फिक्स पॉइंट होता है। ऐसे इंटीग्रल इक्वेशन या किसी की भी हम बात कर लें, तो जो भी उनका सॉल्यूशन होता है वो उसका फिक्स पॉइंट होता है।
Okay, we are considering one fixed point there, na, in differential equations.
यस सर। सर यूनिक सॉल्यूशन फाइंड करने के लिए, इट मींस अगर हमें
हाँ सही बता रहे हैं, बताइए।
यूनिक सॉल्यूशन फाइंड करना है तो यूनिकनेस के लिए भी हम फिक्स पॉइंट फाइंड करते हैं सर, बट फिक्स पॉइंट मे बी नॉन यूनिक इन सम केसेस, फिक्स पॉइंट मे बी मोर देन वन। Then by using these
Basically,
non-unique fixed point, we can see their geometry, what collection of non-unique fixed point forms what types of geometry.
okay. Basically, we are using this fixed point in non-linear phenomena. Okay.
Yes, sir.
And you have shown various applications of this fixed point theory in algebraic C and S metric space and all this thing. And
Yes, sir.
what the other you are it's fixed point has a vast scope in doing in this field. So where you can apply this fixed point in near future?
Sir, as in past or in present, we are solving many differential equation, integral equation by using fixed point theory. So as likely in future, we can solve those type of differential equation, integral equation, which are not solvable with the help of fixed point theory.
You can also correlate with this in a real world problem also, na?
Yes, sir.
So can you give some example?
Sir, example of real life example of fixed point. Okay, sir. Sir, simply for understanding fixed point, we can understand with the help of simple example. अगर एक कप में हम कॉफी लें और उसको स्पून से अगर स्टायर करते हैं, तो हम ये ऑब्जर्व करते हैं कि जब हम कॉफी को स्टायर करते हैं तो उसमें एक पॉइंट ऐसा, एक या एक से ज्यादा पॉइंट्स ऐसे हो सकते हैं जो अपनी पोजीशन चेंज नहीं करते, तो वो वहां पे फिक्स पॉइंट है। और एज हम किसी लेक में या किसी सी में, रिवर में भी हम देख सकते हैं कि अगर हम किसी पत्थर को फेंकते हैं तो उस पत्थर के चारों ओर वेव्स फॉर्म होती हैं। तो उन वेव्स में से भी अगर उनकी मैथमेटिकल इक्वेशन से बाद में हम उनको स्टडी करते हैं तो हमें कुछ ऐसे पॉइंट्स मिलते हैं जो अपनी पोजीशन चेंज नहीं करते हैं, तो वो फिक्स पॉइंट है। एंड इन रियल लाइफ वी कैन सी, अगर हम किसी के भी मोशन को ले लें, अगर हम किसी स्प्रिंग का मोशन लें या उसके मोशन की हमें एक या इंटीग्रल इक्वेशन मिलेगी या डिफरेंशियल इक्वेशन या पार्शियल डिफरेंशियल इक्वेशन हमें मिलती है, तो उसको सॉल्व करने के लिए हम फिक्स पॉइंट थ्योरी का यूज कर सकते हैं।
Okay, beta. Okay, thank you very much. You have beautifully explained each and everything. Good job you have done, and I hope in near future you have also doing the same things. And all the best for your
you so much, sir.
next. Thank you, and I also thanks to the supervisor Dr. S.K. Palladia sir, who gave me an opportunity to judge the students, and especially thanks to also principal sir Bodai sir and Dr. Anita Tomar ma'am जो हमारे साथ हैं। Thank you Palladia sir, thank you very much.
Thank you
Dr. Govind Pathak.
Yes.
Sir, can I take a screenshot of all teachers?
Why not?
Yes, sir.
Dr. Palladia sahab, आपकी you are not audible to us.
Yes, sir, मैं सुनाई दे रहा है। हेलो,
आपकी आवाज सुनाई नहीं दे रही है डॉक्टर साहब।
मैम प्लीज आप अपना वीडियो कैमरा ऑन कर दीजिए।
सर, यस सर।
हाँ,
थैंक यू मैम।
आप कुछ बोल रहे थे डॉक्टर पटालिया।
हाँ यस, आप बोलेंगे सर।
सर
सर मैं
आप
तो इतना बोलूंगा कि हम लोग इकोनॉमिक्स में पढ़ाते हैं, बहुत सारी चीजें हैं। ये मैंने एक कॉस्ट कर्व खींचा है, ये वेरिएबल कॉस्ट्स
यस सर।
और दूसरी तरफ प्रोडक्शन यूनिट्स दी हुई हैं।
यस
तो
सर।
इसमें जो पॉइंट है, जैसे डॉक्टर जोशी ने उस दिन बताया था कि एक झूला जब
जी सर।
झूलता है, तो मैंने उसको कोरिलेट कर लिया था अपने इकोनॉमिक्स के कॉस्ट्स के जो फील्ड है इससे।
जी सर आपने
और
सही
मुझे लगता है
कोरिलेट
कि
किया।
आपकी 6-point थ्योरी इज यूजफुल फॉर एनालिसिस ऑफ कॉस्ट ऑफ द फर्म्स। और क्योंकि ये फील्ड डॉक्टर साहब ने अभी बताया कि नॉन लीनियर जो सॉल्यूशंस हैं उनमें ये काम आता है, तो दिस इज आल्सो एग्जांपल ऑफ ए नॉन लीनियर थिंग जो मेरे को लगा।
यस
तो
सर
मैंने
आप
सिर्फ
आपको
ऐड
बिल्कुल
करा
सही
है,
ऑब्जर्व किया आपने।
मैंने केवल ऐड करा है। आपको मैं बधाई देता हूँ कि आपको बड़े अच्छे प्रोफेसर्स और बहुत अच्छे आपके इवेलुएटर मिले हैं जिन्होंने आपको बहुत उत्साहित करा है, और मेरे कॉलेज को भी। तो मैं डॉक्टर पाठक साहब का बहुत बहुत आभारी हूँ, डॉक्टर
धन्यवाद
तोमर मैडम का आभारी हूँ, और डॉक्टर पडालिया जी का भी, जिन्होंने इसको इस पूरे पीएचडी प्रोग्राम को आपको जो सुपरवाइज करा है। तो डॉक्टर रावत बैठे हैं, वो हमारे यूजीसी सेल को देखते हैं, और डॉक्टर एपी सिंह, डॉक्टर विवेक, सब लोगों को डिपार्टमेंट ऑफ मैथमेटिक्स को बहुत बधाई हो। ये सब हमारे नेक में पुनः काम आने वाला है। तो मैं डॉक्टर पटालिया को एक और पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से बधाई देता हूँ, क्योंकि आईक्यूएसी के वो चेयर पर वो कोऑर्डिनेटर भी। थैंक यू सो मच सर फॉर
बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद।
थैंक यू ऑल टीचर्स।
थैंक यू अगेन फॉर द वैल्यूबल टाइम, प्रोफेसर तोमर, डॉक्टर गोविंद पाठक जी, our senior colleague, Dr. Madhu D. Singh, Dr. A.P. Singh, Dr. Vivek Kumar, and all the best from Bina. Thank you.
Congratulations.
Congrats.
Yes, ma'am.
Congratulations to you also for the wonderful work.
थैंक यू मैम।
And congratulations to Dr. Bodai, Department of Mathematics, everyone.
Thank you,
And
ma'am.
nice meeting you, Dr. Govind Pathak. This
Thank you,
online
madam.
Viva.
Congratulations,
Sir,
Meena.
हार्ड वर्क
थैंक यू
मैडम।
सर।
सर मैं एक चीज और बोलना चाह रही थी। डॉक्टर बड़ाई अभी बात कर रहे थे इकोनॉमिक्स की। सर इकोनॉमिक्स में जो इक्विलिब्रियम थ्योरी है,
जी,
इक्विलिब्रियम थ्योरी में फिक्स्ड पॉइंट का बहुत अच्छा एप्लीकेशन है, और उसी के लिए नोबेल प्राइज
yes,
मिला था
yes,
जॉन, उसी के लिए
yeah,
नोबेल प्राइज मिला था।
exactly. And most of the places in economics are studied with the help of the theory of equilibrium.
Yes,
Because
sir.
static equilibrium, dynamic equilibrium, there
Yes.
are number of equilibriums which were studied by the economists, and
So
that is
fixed
the
point,
method of doing the study of economics.
so fixed point theory is applicable in equilibrium theory also.
Exactly, you are 100% right. Thank you, madam.
Yes. Okay, thank you, sir.
Thank you, thank you.
Sir, nice meeting you here in her Viva again.
Yeah.
She is doing nice work under the guidance of Dr. S.K. Palaria, and I wish her good luck.
थैंक यू मैम।
Thank you, madam, for your kind support.
You all now I am leaving the meeting. Okay, thank you.
ओके सर।
Congratulations, beta.
थैंक यू सर। सर कैन वी स्टॉप?
Yeah, yeah.
ओके।